Learning English grammar feels scary for many learners, and honestly, you are not alone in this feeling. Many students open a grammar book, see many rules, tenses, charts, and strange examples, and their brain just wants to close the book and escape. Some learners think grammar is boring, some think it is too difficult, and others think they will never understand it. But here is a secret. Grammar is not your enemy. Grammar is simply a tool that helps you express your ideas clearly, and it can be learned in a very easy and natural way if you change your method and your mindset. Let's talk about the real struggle first. Many learners study grammar in school for years, but they still feel confused when speaking. They memorize rules like past simple, present perfect, conditionals, and passive voice, but when they want to say a sentence, they stop, think, and panic. For example, a learner wants to say, "I have been learning English for 2 years," but they think, is it have been? Is it learned? Is it learning? This confusion makes them slow, shy, and afraid to speak. Some learners even stop speaking because they fear making grammar mistakes and they think people will judge them. This is very normal, but this is also the wrong way to learn grammar. The first secret to learning grammar easily is to stop thinking about grammar as rules and start thinking about grammar as patterns. Children do not learn grammar from books. They learn grammar by hearing patterns again and again. For example, children hear sentences like, "I am eating," "She is sleeping," "They are playing," and slowly they understand the pattern without studying a rule. You can do the same. Instead of memorizing a long explanation about present continuous tense, you can listen to many sentences and repeat them. For example, you can say, "I am studying English," "I am watching a video," "I am practicing grammar," and your brain will naturally understand how this tense works. Another important key is to learn grammar through speaking, not only reading. Many learners only read grammar books and do exercises on paper, but they never say the sentences aloud. Grammar is not only for exams, grammar is for communication. When you say sentences out loud, your brain connects grammar with real speaking. For example, instead of only writing, "Yesterday I went to school," say it loudly. Then say, "Yesterday I watched a movie," "Yesterday I practiced English," and you are training your grammar and speaking at the same time. A very easy method is to learn grammar in small pieces, not all at once. Many learners try to learn all tenses in 1 week, and their brain becomes tired and confused. A better way is to learn one small topic and use it for many days. For example, you can focus on the past tense this week. Every day, talk about yesterday. Yesterday I woke up late. Yesterday I ate pizza. Yesterday I talked to my friend. Next week, you can focus on the future. Tomorrow I will study. Next week I will travel. In 2026, I will improve my English. This way, grammar becomes part of your daily life, not a boring subject. Let me tell you a story about a learner named Daniel. Daniel hated grammar. He thought grammar was only for teachers and exams. He never studied grammar seriously, and when he tried to speak, his sentences were messy. One day, he changed his method. He stopped reading long grammar explanations and started speaking simple sentences every day. He recorded his voice, listened to English podcasts, and repeated sentences. Slowly, he started to notice patterns. After 6 months, his grammar improved naturally, and he felt more confident. He told me, "Grammar became easy when I stopped fighting it and started using it." Another powerful trick is to learn grammar with real examples from your life. Grammar books often use strange sentences, like "the cat is on the mat," but you are not a cat and you do not live on a mat. Use your own life. For example, say, "My brother is working. My mother is cooking. My friend lives in London. I am learning English because I want a better future." When grammar connects to your emotions and experiences, it becomes easier to remember. You should also accept mistakes as part of learning. Many learners think mistakes are bad, but mistakes are actually teachers. When you say, "He go to school," and someone corrects you to "he goes to school," your brain learns faster. If you never speak, you never make mistakes, and you never learn. So speak, make mistakes, laugh, and continue. A simple daily routine can make grammar easy. For example, spend 5 minutes reading one grammar example, 5 minutes making your own sentences, and 5 minutes speaking those sentences. You can say, "I am happy today. I was tired yesterday. I will study tomorrow." This daily practice is small but very powerful. After 1 month, you will feel grammar in your mind without thinking too much.